Can I jump in and throw some bows?
Okay, UFC. Holy shit. Robbie, don't kill him, dude. Robbie, don't kill him.
Oh my
God. Robbie, don't kill him, okay? Punch him, Rodrigo, you fucking stick.
Yo! Punch Rory!
Oh, fuck, you had him. Leave him, Robbie, leave him, Robbie. Robbie, don't kill him. Robbie, don't kill him.
Oh my god, I just shat my pants. This is so funny. You fight like a girl.
Sorry, no.
Robbie, don't kill him.
Dude, the kid's got a future in tattooing.
Robbie, don't.
Oh my god.
He's done. Robbie,
keep fighting!
Oh my god.
Hey, keep fighting! You done?
Kurt, we swimming?
No, I just touched it.
It's not cold. Yo, what?